guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the August Allure beauty box to show you. Do you want to know what's inside my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So again, the August 2025 Allure beauty box just arrived. Let's go ahead and dive in and see what this month brings us. I can't really remember the item that we got to choose, but I do know for next month, September, there's an item that we get to choose. I already chose mine. So there is a customized item for the September box as well. So let's go ahead and see what's in August. You always have a pamphlet right on top with a gorgeous girl right on the front of it. Down inside, we'll go over the items in the box and it will tell you the full size price and then tell you the size that you have, if it's a full size item or if it is a trial, sample size, that kind of thing. But it will tell you down inside more information about the items. When you first open it up, that's what it looks like. Looks like they have some add-ons that you can add on to your box now. And there's a sneak peek to inside of the box. All right, so the first thing that I'm pulling out, it says Fresh Black Tea Advanced Age Renewal Eye Cream, an anti-wrinkle. This right here is the full size 15 mil. Yes, this is $72. So for this item right here, it retail values for $72. So definitely way over the cost of this entire box. And there's still those other products. So full size product again, 15 mil, and it says tap a little into your under eyes morning and night. The formula feels good, especially on hot summer mornings. That's awesome because it's over 100 degrees here in Florida. So here is an eye cream down inside so you can see what the packaging looks like. I will show you. I'm not going to open it because I don't know if I'm going to put this like in a future giveaway or maybe in that advent calendar giveaway that I'm going to be doing here soon, because I have so many eye creams already opened and I only have 2 eyes, so I can only use so much. So I would love to pass down, and I definitely want to fill that calendar, so I might save this for that. But again, values for $72 just for this, and that is a full-size product. Okay, so next thing is, it says BFC. I'm not sure. Oh, Beauty for Certain is the name, BFC. It's a cream highlighter, and it says number 8, pearlescent taupe is the color. I do not do anything with highlighters, blushes, anything like that, so I always save them for you. This, however, is a full-size product valued for $20. So this right here will go, again, saved for one of you guys, but I'm sure it's like that color of the label right there, and you can see it right there. Next up we have, it says Green Tea Seed Hyaluronic Serum. And okay, so it looks like this one would have been a number of different products sent at random. It looks like there's 4 different ones. So it would have been the green tea enzyme PHA toner, the amino acid cleansing foam, the hyaluronic serum, which is what I got, or there is a vitamin C brightening serum. So 1 of 4 sent at random. It says the toner is valued at $24 for a 150 mil. There's a 25 mil in the box, so none of them are full size for this one. The cleansing foam is valued at $14 for a 150 mil. There's a 30 mil with that one. The hyaluronic serum, this is $30 for an 80 mil, and there's a 10 mil included in the box. And then the brightening serum is $32 for a 30 mil, and there's a 7 mil inside of the box if that's the one that will be in your box. So again, 4 different ones sent at random, all a trial size for you to try out. And I have the serum. Let me show you what it looks like on the inside. Oops, I just flipped the highlighter over there. And that is what the packaging looks like. So you do have a serum that you can try out, and if you like it, you can get the full size, or you can get all 4 of them to work together if you want, but at least you do have one of them to try out. All right, so next up we have, it says Bloom Buds Power Patches for Acne Prone Skin. I love the pimple patches, especially around my monthly situation. I always break out. So anytime I see one coming on, I love to grab a pimple patch, put it on. It kind of like sucks it out, makes it go by so much faster and easier and just a lot less painful and all of that. So I love using them. This is again the Power Patches for Acne, and it says the retail price is $17 for a 24 count. And in here, it says it is a 12 pack. Yes, it says a 12 count is included in the box. So it is a trial size, but there's 12 different ones for you to try out. I might put that in definitely a future giveaway because I have so many of them already open and so many different brands that I would love to pass this down to one of you guys to enjoy. So there is the pimple patches trial size. We still have 2 items in the box, you guys. This is the one that we could choose from. Okay, so this is the Tower 28, and it was 3 different colors that you could choose from. It's the Juice Bomb Vegan Tinted Lip Balm, and it says treatment in drink, mix, or squeeze, and I chose mix. And I will definitely put this in my advent calendar giveaway that's going to be coming up. I picked this for that reason. And again, I picked the color mix. I thought it looked like a nice like neutral color between them. I'll show you what the actual packaging looks like. But again, I won't open it because I'm putting this in that giveaway. Almost all of this stuff's going to go in that giveaway, you guys. So there is the packaging, and that's probably the color right there, but it is a tinted balm, so it'll be a slight color, more of a balm situation. So I bet you that'll feel nice on the lips. So here is that. It is valued at $16 for this full size product. So there's 3 full size products in here, and oh wait, maybe even 4. Here's one right here. Oh, it says mini. So it says mini right on the corner, but I absolutely love this brand. This is Glow Recipe. This is the Watermelon Glow PHA BHA Pore Tight Toner. I've purchased the full size. I really like this brand, and I love the watermelon because I love fruit. I'm a fruit hoe through and through. So I'm glad to get this. I will definitely keep, it'll be great for travel too since it is a smaller one. However, I am going to use this one. This is retail value for $36 for the 150 ml, and what is included in our box is a 40 ml. But you get to try it out. It's a great size. I love how the packaging is the same. It has like that curved little, the way that it's designed for the bottle, the same way as the full size. But here is again the sample size of the Glow Recipe toner. I'm super excited about that. So this I will keep, and everything else I will pass down and put in that advent calendar. So stay tuned to that. I definitely like to have that where the winner is drawn and it's shipped out before December 1st. So if you wanted to open each door, you would have that option. So probably in the end of October or the beginning of November, I will do that one. So stay tuned for that. I will have that coming up. I love doing that for you guys. So that is everything for this August box. A quick recap: you have the Glow Recipe Watermelon Toner. You have the pimple patches, this $70-something full-size product right here for the eye cream. You have one of 4 different products that this one could have been. You have one of 3 different colors for the balm, and then there is the highlighter. Okay, you guys, again, that is everything for this August box. Comment down below and let me know, what did you think of the items in here? What would be your favorite product? If you chose one of those 3 colors, what color would you choose? Definitely let me know. If you would like a little bit more information about this box, I will let you know right about now. They normally do have different deals, so I always check every month because it always changes. So for this month, if you were to choose month per month, they have a deal where your very first box will only be $10. $10. And again, that one product is 70-something on its own. So it will be, your first box will be $10, and then it will renew at $29.99 every month. You get to choose which color of the balm that you would like, and you get free US shipping. If you want to save money, you can go quarterly. Quarterly shows that it ends up being $26.33 per box. It's $79 for the 3 months, billed quarterly. If you want to save even more, you can go to an annual membership like I did, and you actually get a free bonus box with that one. You get to choose your shade, you get your free shipping and all of that, but it brings it down to $23.92 per box, billed at $287 for the entire year. So that is the options that you have for this box. I will have them listed down below if you'd like to pop on over there. Check them out, sign up if you would like. And again, the first box would only be $10. I don't think I've seen where you get $10 off your first box, but I haven't seen in a while or anytime soon where your very first box is $10. So that's a great deal. If you would like to see other companies, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I would love for you to stick around. I do so many different types of videos. If something pops up that you're not interested in, then just pass it until you see one that you are. It's that simple. All right, you guys, so now that is everything for this video. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.